Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the Geography Unit 3rd, India Agriculture. India வேளாண்மை. So, what are the learning objectives in this lesson? India is a agricultural country. Agriculture is the backbone of our country. So, we learn about the agriculture. What are the objectives of this lesson? To understand the nature of India, soil types and their distribution. First, we understand the nature of India, soil types and their distribution. Then, to know about the importance of irrigation and multi-purpose project in India. Importance of the irrigation. Irrigation is the most important resource to agriculture. So, what is that? To learn about the importance of the irrigation and multi-purpose project in India. Multi-purpose project means that the dams are in India. To study about the agriculture, its types and importance. What are the different types of agriculture and their importance. Then, to understand the livestock and fishing resources of India. To understand the livestock, cattle rearing, so this like, and fishing resources in India. Then, to comprehend the problems of farming in India. To comprehend the problems of farming in India. So, these are the learning objectives of this lesson. Now, we are going to see about the introduction. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. So, soil, very important natural resource. Why? Soil is fertile, the crops grow well. So, soil is very important. India's varied natural environments resulted in a great variety of soil compared to any other country of similar size in the world. India varied natural environments. India has a different natural environment that resulted in a great variety of soils. Different types of soils are compared to any other country in the world. Any other country of similar size in the world. The rich, deep and fertile soil support high density of population. India is an agricultural country, so main occupation is the agriculture. The agriculture needs the soil fertility. In India, the rich, deep and fertile soils support high density of population through agricultural prosperity. In river areas, the densely populated are there. Why? The soil is very fertile, that is suitable for growing crops. So, most people living in the river banks. Okay. Then, soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the land surface. What is the soil? Soil is the uppermost layer of the surface, usually composed of minerals, organic matter, living organisms, air and water. So, these are soil. The soil is composed of minerals, organic matter, living organisms, air and water. Grains in the soil are the three categories, namely. So, what are the grains ingredient in the soil? Clay, silt and sand. Three types of ingredients are in the soil: clay, silt and sand. Soils are generally formed by the weathering of rocks. Soils are generally formed by the weathering of rocks under different conditions. The different conditions, the soils are the weathering of the rocks. Some soils are formed by the deposition of agents, denudation. Some soils are formed by the deposition of agents of denudation. Soils can vary greatly from one region to other region. One type of soil is located in this district, and other Madurai and other districts have the other variety of soils are located. So the soils are different from region to region. Then types of soil. The Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR set up in 1953 divides the Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR set up in 1953 divides the soil of India are the following 8 major groups. The soils are divided into 8 major groups, that are: first one alluvial soil, second one black soil, third one red soil, fourth one laterite soil, fifth one forest and mountain soil, sixth one arid and desert soil, seventh one saline and alcoholine soil, eighth one peaty and marshy soil. These are the different types of soil. You see, alluvial soil, black soil, laterite soil, forest and mountain soil. These soils are asked in the map. Okay, the forest soils are located in the Himalayan mountains. Alluvial soils located in the river basins, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Kaveri Delta, this river soils. And black soil, that is found in the Gujarat. So red soil, that is found in the Rajasthan, and desert soil, that is in the Rajasthan over. So these types of soil are asked in the map also. You see, types of soil in India with their percentage: red soil 28%, black soil 29.69%, and saline and alkaline soil 1.29%, peaty and marshy soil 2.17%, laterite soil 2.62%, arid and desert soil 6.13%, forest and mountain soil 7.9%. These are the alluvial soil 22.16%. These are the 8 types of soils found in region. Another one, you see, soil type alluvial soil. Alluvial soil உடைய characteristics என்ன? alluvial soil வந்துட்டு 2 types divide பண்ணலாம். One வந்து gather, another one bangar. Gather light colored, more siliceous. So the gather soil உடைய கலர் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா லைட் கலர் அண்ட் மோர் சிலிசியஸ். பாங்கர் அப்படின்றது the older alluvium composed of limestone, lime noodles. பாங்கர் அந்த 1 மார்க்கில் கேட்பாங்க. பாங்கர் that is made up of the older alluvium composed soils. அடுத்து composed of lime noodles and has clayey composition. It is dark in color. So the bangar, it is the older alluvium soil, it is dark in color. Next, formation. How can these soils are formed? Sediments deposited by streams and rivers when they slowly lose. Sediments deposited by streams, ஆறுகள் ஓடைகளிலிருந்து அடித்து வரப்படக்கூடிய வளமான வண்டல் மேல் மண் இதான் வந்துட்டு this like it is formated. And chemical properties. What are the chemical properties are included in this soil? Rich in potash, phosphoric acid, lime and carbon compounds, and but poor in nitrogen. This type of soil rich in potash. இதில் பொட்டாஸ் அதிகமாக இருக்குது. phosphoric acid, lime and carbon components, then but poor in nitrogen. அடுத்து நேச்சர். இதனுடைய நேச்சர் என்ன? சாண்டி, லோம், சால்ட், கிளே. சாண்டி கையில் அல்லனா அப்படியே கீழே விழுற மாதிரி இருக்கும், லோமாக இருக்கும். சில்ட்டி, தட் லைக் ஆல்சோ கிளே. அடுத்து ப்ரொஃபைல் ஷோஸ் நோ மார்க்டு டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேஷன். இதில் வந்து எந்த மார்க்டு டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேஷனும் கிடையாது. Okay, next, where are they distributed? This type of alluvial soil, where are they distributed? Ganga and Brahmaputra river valleys, plains of Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal and Bihar, and river mouth of East coast. These places are distributed in the alluvial soil. What crops are growing in this soil? Rice, wheat, sugarcane and oil seeds. Okay. Then second one, black soil. Black soil, this is formated in the derived from basalt of Deccan Trap. Formation of this soil derived from basalt of Deccan Trap. Deccan Trapல இருந்துட்டு basalt ஆகி வரக்கூடிய soil. This black soil, this color also is the black color. Why it is black in color? Due to presence of titanium ion. The black soil is colored in black because of the presence of the titanium with the iron. Then what are the chemical properties in this soil? Consist of calcium and magnesium carbonates. Consist of the calcium, magnesium carbonates, high quantities of iron, aluminum, lime and magnesia. These chemical properties are mingled in this soil. அடுத்து rich in potash, lime, aluminum, calcium and magnesium, poor in nitrogen, phosphoric acid and humus. These are the main. அடுத்து nature, sticky when wet. இது ஈரமாக இருந்தது அப்படின்னா என்ன ஆகும்? ஒட்டும். ஹை டிகிரி ஆஃப் மாய்ஸ்டூர், நீராவி போக்கு வந்து தடை செய்து கொள்ளும். மாய்ஸ்டூர் அண்ட் ரிட்டென்னிவிட்டி, அதிக அளவு ஈரப்பதத்தை தக்க வைத்து கொள்ளக்கூடிய திறன் பெற்றது. Where are they? This soil found Maharashtra and Malwa plateau regions, that is the black color soil, Kathiawar Peninsula, Telangana and Rayalaseema region of Andhra Pradesh and northern part of Karnataka. So these areas are located in the distributed in the black soil. Then what are the crops growing in this soil? Cotton, millet, tobacco and sugarcane. These are well grow in this soil. Okay. Okay. Then third one, red soil. Red soil, its formation was decomposition of ancient crystalline rocks. Decomposition of ancient crystalline rocks like granites and gneisses and from rocky type. This type of soil is formated by the decomposition of ancient crystalline rocks like granite. This granite are crystallized in the wind. Already in 9th standard you read gradation that like wind and water, this or break up the rock. That's why this line these soils are formed. Rocks like granite and gneisses and from rock type. Then chemical properties are rich in minerals such as iron and magnesium. So the red soil that is rich in minerals like iron and magnesium, deficient in nitrogen, low level of nitrogen, humus, phosphoric acid and lime. Nature light texture, porous friable presence of limited soluble salt, குறைவான அளவு வாட்டரில் கலக்கக்கூடிய salt. Clay of fraction of the red soil generally consists of the chyolithic minerals. Generally it consists of the chyolithic minerals. Why it is red soil is red in color? The oil present in the iron content, so it is red in color. Then where are the red soils distributed in areas? Eastern parts of Deccan Plateau, southern states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau that lies in the Jharkhand. Then what are the crops are growing in this soil? Wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane and pulses. These are growing well in this soil. Okay. Next, laterite soil. The laterite soil that are formed in the regions where alternate wet and hot dry conditions, ரொம்ப ஈரப்பதமாகவும் அதே போல் உலர்ந்த தன்மையும் கொண்ட இதுதான் வந்துட்டு இந்த லேட்டரைட் சாயில் வந்து அதிக அளவில் இருக்கும். இட் இஸ் ஃபார்ம்டு பை த ப்ராசஸ் ஆஃப் லீச்சிங். அதில் நம்ம 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் படிச்சிருக்கிறோம். லீச்சிங் கெமிக்கல்ஸ், இந்த சுண்ணாம்பு கற்கள் போய் அந்த பாறைகளில் அரித்து கொண்டு போகிறதுனால இந்த சாயில் வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. அதற்கடுத்து கெமிக்கல் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் கம்போஸ்ட் மெயின்லி ஆஃப் hydrated oxides of iron and aluminum. Hydrated oxides of iron and aluminum contains this the laterite soil. The nature more acidic on higher areas, poor in high level. More acidic on higher areas, poor in high level. Cannot retain moisture while plants. They consist of heavy loam and clay and easily retain moisture. ஈஸியாக மாய்ஸ்டரை வந்து ரீட்டைன் பண்ணிக்கும். ஸோ திஸ் லைன் கன்சிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஹெவி லோம் அண்ட் clay. It contains the heavy loam and clay and also easily retain the moisture. Where are the this soil found in Assam hills, hill summits of Kerala and Karnataka and eastern Ghats and regions of Odisha. What are the crops growing here? Coffee, rubber, cashew nut and tobacco. These crops are growing well in this region. Okay.